Hi, I'm Chelsea, a designer and product developer in the apparel industry. This is Minka, my 6-year-old rescue pup. In 2020, our family moved from a small town to the bustling San Francisco. Minka went from having her own backyard to relying on me for daily walks and adventures. And let me tell you, I quickly discovered that city living with a dog had a whole new set of challenges I wasn't prepared for. I found myself struggling to carry all of the essentials for Minka and me during our outings. From treats and poop bags to my phone, keys, and wallet, it seemed like I needed a whole backpack just for our walks. Existing products on the market fell short, and they definitely lacked the style I craved, so I channeled my passion for design and development into crafting a solution. I spent the next 3 years fine-tuning my product with manufacturing partners. With every passing day that Minka and I got more comfortable with city life, the more adventures we went on, and the more I was able to test and modify my product to fit different scenarios. Introducing the MetroPup Carry-All Bag, the heart of our collection. It was meticulously crafted to combine fashion and functionality. Made from premium water and stain-resistant materials and featuring multiple compartments, it keeps both human and pup essentials organized in one sleek package. The best part about it is its versatility. Imagine not having to keep your dog waiting while sorting through essentials from your purse or backpack to take your dog on a walk. Simply grab your wallet, slide on the pup essential pouch, and clip it on your leash, and you're ready to go. With slots for 6 credit cards, a dedicated space for your keys, phone, and other essentials, you won't need to have a different wallet for your life without your pup. Of course, we didn't forget about our furry friends goodies, which is why the pup essential pouch holds 3.5 ounces of training treats and a roll of poop bags. We didn't stop there though. We had to design a collar and leash with the same attention to detail, providing durability and comfort for city adventures. They're beautifully crafted with a real leather texture, but are extremely durable, stain-resistant, and waterproof. What makes the MetroPup Carry-All Kit truly remarkable, though, is its adaptability. The leash allows you to customize the length for high-traffic scenarios or safari's. Then when it's time to explore off-leash freedom, just unclip your dog's collar and attach the leash to the bottom of the bag. Now, you have a hands-free crossbody bag with quick access to your and your dog's essentials. Please support us in bringing the MetroPup Carry-All Kit, the effortlessly stylish and ingeniously designed pup-inspired collection, to you. Thanks for your support.